Restructure Remix 8.0 update based on Android 10 has been released and I have installed it on my Redmi Note 7 Pro. Hey, what's going on everybody, it's Timan here back with the new video, and in this video we are going to take a closer look at the latest build of Restructure Remix ROM. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's start this review with the look and feel of this ROM. Believe me or not, when I installed this ROM in my Redmi Note 7 Pro, I feel that this is one of the smoothest ROM ever that I have used. It comes with Trebuchet launcher as default launcher. Swipe up brings you to the app drawer, swipe right will brings to Google Feed, and swipe down will brings to notification panel. Also, I want to mention here that Android 10's navigation gestures are working very well over here. Special thanks to developers of RROS ROM, they done a pretty nice job here. Restructure Remix 8.0 is based on Android version 10. Here as you can see, Restructure Remix build is 8.6.0, build type official. It comes with the 5th September security patch and vendor security patch is of 1st August 2020. All basic services like mobile data, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth are working great. I have no issues here. You will also get to see a call recording button when you are calling to any person. Next up, if we talk about sensors like accelerometer, proximity, compass, gyro and so on, every sensor is working fine. Fingerprint sensor is also working. In the notification panel, here you will get to see a lot of options in which you will get screen stabilization, screen record, nearby share, focus mode, bedtime and so on. If we open every settings panel, you will get to see these cool animations which will take your experience to a next level. In battery settings, here you can see until when your mobile's battery should last. Inside display settings, you can enable or disable adaptive brightness mode, and also you can create your custom theme from here. ROM comes with always on display mode, which you will get to see under lock screen settings, and it works fine. Now let's take a look at Restructure Remix Tools section, which is my favorite part of this ROM. You will get different section of Restructure Remix Tools inside settings menu. From here you can customize every visible element in this ROM, from status bar to navigation bar. Here you will get to see a tons of customizations, but in this video I will be covering just few of them. In status bar section, you can add any logo to your status bar. You can set any color to your logo and place it to left or right side as per your needs. You can also customize battery icon, system icons and more. In panel section, you can set blur background while you pull down quick settings panel. Also you can adjust its intensity, blur radius and opacity according to you. I love this blur effect. You will get more settings over here. You can customize header, recent panel and volume panel also. Next up is system section. From here you can choose any exact color, or you can do more tweaks with buttons, like you can set power button to end calls, also screen off torch feature. When your mobile is off and you want to turn on your torch, just long press and hold power button. Next step is animation section. From here you can change every animation of your mobile. Other than that, you can customize the duration of every system animation. Next up is interface section. In lock screen settings, you will get to see ambient display option. Under ambient display options, here we will get to see an always on display feature along with more ambient mode display settings. We can also customize the every element of our lock screen and can make it as we want it to be. Next one is edge lighting. This is how edge lighting looks. There is Restructure Remix Themes tab, from where you can enable or disable dark mode and set any exact color, choose any font style and more. You will also get a gaming mode over here. Next up is a miscellaneous section. Here you get various options for weather and charging, and there is also an update option. When any update will be available for your mobile, you will get to see that over here. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know through comments whether you are going to try this ROM or not. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in next one. Till then, stay safe, stay creative.